Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ditters. You can call me Zach if that's something you'd be into. And whether you're new to the channel or not, you might be curious or wondering, maybe you're thinking about starting a channel or upgrading your channel, whatever, and you want to know what kind of equipment I use, what I use to actually record this right now. I actually kind of switch between 2 or 3 different cameras. I guess I'll talk about which ones I use, why I use each one of them, and that can kind of maybe help you guys out starting your own channel or getting better quality videos for your own channels. I'm not going to say I have the absolute best quality, but I mean, I'd like to think it's pretty good. So let's just get into this. So the primary camera that I use, which I am currently using, is the Canon T7i DSLR camera. And the other camera that I use kind of from time to time, it's actually what I started off using instead of my Canon, but my Canon's better in low light, so that's usually why I'll use this instead. But my other camera that I have is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I really do like this thing. It's really small. It can make separate videos on both of these things, on my camera and on this. Alright, there we go, so let's bring that out. We can kind of wave. But this is my camera that I use, the Canon T7i. It's not really wanting to focus right now. Nothing too fancy. Again, those are the lights that I use for actually recording. I like the lighting for these. These are the Nanoleafs. If they look a little weird, you can switch the colors. Look, there you go. You got a little bit of mood lighting there. But when I'm recording my videos, I'll just usually leave it on white. Pretty much always leave it on white. So that's what I use for my lighting. But again, it's nothing too crazy. Every now and then, let's switch back to this camera now. Okay, there we go. We're good. So most of the time, again, I will use just my Canon. If I go out and I'm shooting things, or a lot of the time if I'm doing B-roll, I'll use this just because it's a little bit easier. It's smaller, so I can kind of get different angles. Whether you know or not, whether you're new to the channel or not, I do like photography. So and videography, cinematography, whatever. So that's why I like kind of having a little bit of everything, like the GoPro, as well as the Canon. But again, if you guys are starting off, perfectly fine to use your phone. Don't worry about it. I would say at that point, more of your issue would be to get a better microphone rather than upgrading your camera. If all you have is your phone, I'd worry about getting a new microphone before you actually get a new camera. But what I use for my audio, again, I can make videos on this. This video's just mainly on my camera setup, but I'm kind of talking about a little other things. If you're wondering, I use the Blue Snowball microphone. So I hope that this helped in some way. I know this is a little bit different. If you guys do actually want to see a full setup video, I can show you guys my monitors, what programs I use, how I edit my videos, how I edit my audio. I can make a full setup video, so just please let me know if you guys want to see that down in the comments below. As always, as all YouTubers do, I gotta bug you about it. Go click that subscribe button down below. Feel free to leave a comment just down below. Just leave a good comment. Anyways, as always, eat some ribs, eat some chips, some popcorn, drink some juice out of a Deadpool glass like I do just about every video. Have an awesome day, have a great weekend, a great week, a great rest of your lives, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.